slip.
They feel like walang respeto si Charlie. I feel like that's Ate Ivana's thing.
I think that's maybe like her perspective. Baka bilang ate.
Yeah.
I don't think she said it to make you upset. Parang, diba?
You're just our bunso. That's why she's so concerned about
It's
you.
not why disrespected.
No. If you want, tautatik lang. You're fine.
I love you, Charlie.
Oh.
At 16, I was worse. Trust me.
Girl, same. Iyak mo lang. Ilabas mo lahat. And when you...
Maganda naman mata ko.
Okay.
I don't like mata.
It's okay.
She was like saying na kanina parang mag-usap tayo. And I was like trying to ask, ano yan? Like, are you mad at me ba? Like, I'm sorry. She told me in diretso na parang, we feel like kasi na parang wala kang respeto sa mga adults dito. Sabi niya, dapat maalala mo na bunso ka. At kahit pa paano, respetuhin mo yung mga adults. Medyo nasaktan ako kasi, syempre, like, bunso, pero what do you expect? Didn't daw give time for any of the adults to speak. Kaya nahihirapan ako. But like, I really didn't understand, like, where.
Kasi she doesn't appreciate the strong personality.
No, she was...
Baka nabigla lang siya.
Where did she get bigla? She was telling me na, I know you have a strong personality. She was like, I know you're 16, I know you're mature, pero ganito. I want people to, thank you. I want people to know that like, I'm a bit more mature now. And like, I want to make right decisions. Even ako sa labas, like, I have, my friends are also like around 25 also, and 22. And parang mas leader din ako sa kanila. It really just depends on the personality.
Talk to Ate Clang, talk to the people that she mentioned, just to know if they're also feeling that way. If they are, apologize. If they're not, still apologize.
At Ivana told me nga na parang hindi ka nag-respeto sa mga adults. Ganun agad. And knowing I'm the bunso, and I'm 16, not adult na, 18. Pero I didn't know where I went wrong with initiating. And where did I like disrespect?
Kasi, ba't ka nag-hold back?
Ako ma-judge. Binuo kong pangalan.
Alam mo,
What
nag-overthink ka lang. Sa totoo lang, ikaw, tsaka si Ate Ivana, parang as near as Ivana, parang mahal na kayo ng tao. Kahit feeling ko kahit nag-attitude ka or what,
Hindi, yun nga yung
feeling ko mamahalin ka ng mga
kinakatakutan
tao.
ko din.
Pag may nagawa kang
Mas
mali,
better na lang na nakikita
nila ako as ganun.